Hey, what up guys? This is Brian here. Happy Wednesday. I hope y'all are having a great day. Let's come check out what we got in the shop today. So right here we got Ike, one of our great clients, top 5. Y'all have seen this 17 Infinite QX before. It's got everything on the car, inside, outside, the ultimate protection. We got taken off some old last generation Infinity side skirts. We're taking off the front splitter, the rear skirt. We're going to color match them. Then we are going to paint them, PPF them, and throw them on this black car. It's gonna look hot. Coming through, we got the great Sam Cotton right here. We're making diamonds out of this 2014 black Avalon, baby. It's coming out fresh, polishing it to a diamond. Then we're gonna come in with our full Feynlab ceramic package. That's gonna be a 5-year ceramic coating on all the paint. Then we're going to go with rims and all the glass. Right over here, we got my great friend, Billy. He got a brand new 2020 RX 450. It's coming in for PremiumShield, full front end PPF. It's getting a full polish. We're gonna put on the bee's knees, the thickest coating in the world, Feynlab Self-Heal Plus. It's gonna make this black car stay looking mint. It's super awesome. Thanks again, Billy. Hope to see you soon. Just come in, why don't we cruise on up into the clean room, get out of the diamond urban room, baby. We're gonna come up in here. We're looking at a white, brand new white Model 3. Jonathan, thank you for your business, sir. We've used Madico black Pearl Nano ceramic film. We've tinted the sides only. Really suited his lifestyle, his budget. We've done PremiumShield, Elite Self-Healing PPF, partial front end. We've done the rocker panels. The car looks glossy. It's looking fresh. It's gonna be protected. You're gonna love it. So moving on over here, you see that red one in the background, baby. I love Tesla red. Make this look awesome. Great referral from Becky, super rad Becky. Got Katie Peterson's right here. It's a 2021 red Model Y. It's got 3,000 miles on that, but she's coming in for the ultimate in protection. We've gone ahead and touched up some of the rock chips. We're doing full car PremiumShield, Elite Self-Healing PPF. The clarity's amazing. It's 8 mils thick. We got a lifetime warranty. We're putting Madico Black Pearl Nano Ceramic Film, 35% up on the front. On the back, we're going 75 clear, same with the windshield. Car's gonna be fresh. We're gonna finish it off with Feynlab ceramic coatings. Right up in here, we got my great yoga instructor. If I could ever get back over to her, finishing up this black Model 3. It's a hail damage. It was pretty bad. We're replacing some PPF on it. We're polishing it out to a diamond, and we're going to finish it with Feynlab Self-Heal Light. So thanks again for that one, Desiree. I hope to come into the studio, but let's go check out what's on the lift. We got a 2021 Corvette Z51. Super amazing mid-engine car, torch red. It's coming in for PremiumShield PPF on the full front end, and then it's going to get the doors, it'll get the rockers and the quarter panels. So a little over 50% of the car. Gonna finish polishing that up, and we're gonna put Feynlab coatings on the rims and the paint. Right here we got the green machine, baby. It's a performance Model 3. We're gonna do a carbon fiber front lip install. We're doing an underbody light kit. Y'all take a guess. I'll give y'all a free car wash. First one to figure out what color is this underbody light kit gonna be for the machine, baby. So we got that going on, and then we got we're putting a master cylinder brace on, unplugged performance, finishing that out, project 2. Right here we got a 2021 awesome blue BMW 430i. It's the M Sport. We got PremiumShield only up in this house. Bumper, we got mirrors. We're gonna polish it, and then of course, thickest coat in the world. Second one in one day. Feynlab Self-Heal Plus. Thing's gonna look absolutely stunning. Stay tuned for final pictures of this guy. And so, having a breezy week, super fun, really refining things. We got Anthony Gomez right here. We appreciate your patience, bro. You know, hail damage, it totally sucks. Extensive hail damage that we fixed. Then we just finished rewrapping the entire car. You know, the insurance paid for that because the car needs to go back like it was before the unfortunate hail accident. And we've got satin dark gray 3M 2080, an amazing color. Basically brought this car back to new. I think it's a 2018, 2019. We finished it with Feynlab ceramic coatings. So if y'all have any of your automotive needs, we'd love to help you out. If y'all have any questions, got anything going on like that. So peace, love, Austin Detailing, baby.